be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now first, let me show you something that I'm sure everybody has seen. I got a little second pickup here, but this isn't the star of the show, so let's just bring these in. You see this? Jordan 1 box. Boom. I had to go ahead and give these a shot because I sold a pair that were similar to these, and they didn't really feel good, but when I saw these, I said I'm gonna go for these. So these are the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. I've never had a pair of the OG lows. So these are white, dark powder blue, and black. And I got these in a size 13. Alright, let's go ahead and get into them. I got these from Snipes. Alright, that's the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Alright, so let's go ahead and bring these out. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. I know these are the UNC lows, but I like to refer to these as the Carolina Panther lows because that is more of a Panthers jersey colorway right here. You know what I mean? See that on the back there? And then you got your UNC blue on the bottom. White with the blue insole, Nike Air. And on the tongue, you got that black Nike Air with the blue lettering. Alright? So these are the OG ones. Pretty dope, pretty good quality, but that's not what we're here for today. All right, they also came with additional laces. All right, those are the additional laces. All right, but again, that's not why we are here today. Let me get those to the side. This is what we are here for today. So let's go ahead and get into this box. I have not seen them yet. Alright. I know you're supposed to cut away from yourself. Don't judge me. Alright. I'm not going to off myself here. Boom. Get the shank out the way. Oh, yeah. It's weird. That Jordan Low box seems big as all hell. But this box, for a high top shoe, is super small. Super small. Alright. Boom. Adidas box. As you can see, a different kind of Adidas box. Boom. Alright, all the way around. Boom. This is the bottom. Boom. It says the brand with the 3 stripes. The brand with the 3 stripes. Alright. Adidas Originals Archive Series. First edition. 80 to 85. There on the back. And these are the Adidas Forum 84 High. Alright. Size 13 in these bad boys, and the colorway is black and carbon. Alright, so let's go ahead and bring these out. Been excited to see these. Alright, is there anything special? Nope, nothing there on the box. Okay. Oh, alright. So we got some different paper here on the inside of the box. That is, it doesn't even say which one that is. AS300. It's all a bunch of different. The Stan Smiths there. Stan Smiths at the top left. And then we got some more forums. The Gazelles. We got the Gazelles in here. We got the Shell Toes. The classics on the paper. Alright. Pretty nice paper. Pretty nice. Which one's which? Which one's which? Alright, let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Which one is this? Which one is... There it is. That's the one. That's the one. Individually wrapped shoes. Keep your shoes nice and fresh. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the Woo! Alright. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The all black Adidas Forum High 84. All right. Woo. The quality of the leather on these bad boys is very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that. Look at that shoe, man. The black suede, completely blacked out. Man. Let's move the tags. You see your 3 stripes there. That leather, that is some good quality leather. That is some good quality leather right there. Man. All black. But not all black in a way that it looks like you're going to put these on to go murder somebody. Because we all know about black Air Force Ones. And even the black Air Jordan mids, I think. They look like you're going to go stomp somebody out, commit a robbery. But these look like all black in a stylish kind of way. You got your gold hit there. You got that nubuck hit on the back. Like, I wouldn't go stomp anybody out in these. These are clean. You know what I mean? These are nice right here. Look at the strap. Look at the leather quality on the strap. Man. Blue on the bottom. Is that blue? That's more like a teal. More like a teal there on the bottom. Let's go ahead and unstrap them a little bit. Nothing on the back of the strap. Black laces. Alright. And then here's your tongue. White Adidas logo there, more so silver. And then on the back there. And then on the inside, we're going to have to get these open a little bit more. Get the paper out of here. Get the paper out of here. On the inside, you have your gold Adidas branding on the insole, just like you do here. All right, man, these are hard body. Hard body, man. I like these a lot. These dropped on Adidas.com, and they are actually still sitting there, which is fine by me. That don't make me no never mind. All right. And as you can see right there, more of that black leather. All right, let me put these to the side for just a second. I thought there was some differences. Let me look in here. Let me see. I might be mistaken. I might be mistaken. Yep, I am mistaken. There's nothing else. I thought there was like additional lacings or something on here, but there are not, and that's fine. Let's leave them super murdered out. Even though I said they're not murder shoes. Leave them blacked out. The quality on these bad boys is nice, man. The one thing that I would probably do different on these, and that's me nitpicking, like trying to find something, is I would have probably made them the alternate of these. You know what I mean? Like gave us the white stripes to offset these. That's the only thing. I don't even know if I would have made like how, you know, this white or anything, but maybe just the stripes. Just the stripes. Because, you know, they got the black here. I wouldn't have made this panel white, just like how this is black. But the stripes, maybe I would have made those white. That's it. That's the only difference. But beyond that, man, these are dope. All black midsole. Look at that nubuck going all the way up. All the way up. That might be that actually might be suede. It's suede on the stripes. If you can see that the material is different. That's another thing I like about these, is that the materials are different going around the shoe. It's got that gloss factor, man. Woo! These are hard right here. These are hard. Soon as I saw these coming, I said, it's going down. I'm copping them instantly. Not even thinking twice. Copped. Release day, cop. For sure. All right. But anyway, I just wanted to bring these to you guys. I wanted to show you these in case you hadn't seen them before. If you need a size recommendation, I would say go true to size if you are able to. I wear a 13 to 13 and a half in Adidas normally. This is a 13. These fit perfectly. If you want to see on feet, check out the review of the other Adidas forums I have on this channel, and that'll let you know exactly what size you need to go with and how they look on feet. But these are definitely too sweet, and I would recommend them to anybody who is interested, for sure. Quality on these things are amazing. You see the Adidas on the bottom, the logos. All the circles have the Adidas logo in them. Man, these are dope. Adidas logo here. They even blacked out that normally this has like white in it, but they even blacked out that part. That joint's hard, yo. These joints are hard. No white stitching anywhere. No white stitching. Man, I just like the way they feel in hand. These joints are dope, man. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.